Welcome to our tribute to just some of the many dedicated professionals who make up DOIT's Qualified Fire Door Inspectors, or QFDIs. These individuals play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and security of buildings everywhere. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, defines a qualified individual as someone who has received training and has experience and knowledge of the standards, practices, procedures, and requirements pertinent to their specific duties, functions, and responsibilities. At DOIT, our QFDIs embody this definition. They undergo rigorous training and continuous education to stay current with evolving standards and technologies. Their expertise helps to ensure that every fire door they inspect meets the highest standards of safety and functionality. Our QFDIs meticulously inspect every door, checking for correct installation, operation, and compliance with standards. Their job matters because these doors can mean the difference between life and death in the event of a fire. A well-maintained fire door can provide the critical minutes needed for safe evacuation and emergency response, and can help limit property damage. We are proud of our QFDIs and the essential work they do. Their commitment to excellence ensures that our buildings are safe and secure, providing peace of mind to everyone who enters them. Come join DOIT's inspection family. Together we are building a safer tomorrow.